What is going on, everybody? In today's video, we'll be breaking down how to save money as a college student. This video is compiled to show the different ways that you can save money while in college, because there are a ton of ways that you can save money in college. College is expensive enough, so try to save the money where you can. And here are the top 5 ways to save money in college. Starting off at number 1, you want to pay attention to when the events are on campus, and especially when there's free food. There's nothing better than going to an event, getting free food, getting free t-shirts, getting free anything, really. Free is amazing, and your tuition is already paying for these events anyway. You might as well take advantage by going to them and getting the free stuff at those events. A lot of times there will be like planning teams that you can also join to be a part of for these events. And getting involved is another great way to know when those events are as well. Coming in at number 2, get a job on campus. The great thing about getting jobs on campus as a student worker is that many offices, actually most of them, should be able to work around your class schedule and find times that work for you to come in and work for them. Most offices on campus will have jobs that are available, whether it be in the library, whether it be career services, financial aid, student position, whatever it may be. There are a lot of positions on campus for students. Getting a job on campus also relates to getting an internship as well while you're at college. It is very beneficial and is a resume builder as well, so make sure you visit career services at your college to find out what jobs are available on campus and what internships you might be able to get into. Number 3 on this list is finding the discounts. There are many student discounts out there, some of which are actually local, and that is where you can go to your local college website and search up discounts and see if they have a list posted of where your student ID can work at different locations around town. But for the bigger ones, you can get Microsoft 365 through your school email for free. Apple has their education pricing website, so does Dell. Dell has a great education pricing website. Hulu for students is only $1.99 with ads. And that is amazing. $1.99 a month, I should say. Spotify is $5.99 for students per month. Prime has discounts. Amazon Prime, there's a student discount for Prime. And then Dash Pass is 50% off, and that comes back to the food as well, getting food delivered. But the biggest thing about being in college is trying not to eat out all the time. Eating out all the time is where you can actually waste a lot more money rather than just cooking at home and going to the store, finding things that are on sale at the store, coming back to your dorm or home or wherever it may be and cooking yourself. It's a lot cheaper to actually cook in your own kitchen. If you want to learn more about different college discounts that there are out there, just search up college discounts on Google and a big list of the nationwide results will come up. As I'm only mentioned Microsoft, Apple, Hulu, Spotify, Prime, and DoorDash here, there are over 100 possibilities across the U.S. where you are able to get the student discounts. A quick search on Google will bring up a lot of results for college discounts. As what I've mentioned here is only a very small portion of what there actually is out there and available. Number 4 is wait until the first week to see if the books that are on the syllabus are actually needed, or if they come included in the course. A lot of times professors will put required texts on the syllabus, and yet when you get to class, it's already included with the tuition as an e-text. So wait until the first week of classes. Ask the professor when you get in, hey, do I need this book? If not, you're saving money right there, because textbooks are another thing that are very expensive in college. However, with waiting until the first week to see if the book is actually needed, there is a caveat. Read over the syllabus carefully, as sometimes you may not have to wait until the first week, and it may say in the syllabus this is included as an e-text, or you will be needing the physical copy of this book, which in that case is safe to go ahead and or purchase the book or not purchase the book if you do not need to, as you might need it that first week as well. And finally, use the Excel templates to your advantage through college. Again, this goes back to using Microsoft 365. As I said, it comes free through your school email. Use the Excel templates to your advantage. As you can see here, there's one about budgets, and if I go to hit File, New from Template, you can make lists, you can track tasks, you can manage money with multiple different ways. There's Mortgage Loan Calculator, there's a College Course Manager as a template. There's College Comparison Tracker if you're applying to different colleges. There's weekly assignments, daily schedules, timesheets, there's calendars, financial reports, which more will be used if you go into accounting, I believe. But there's a ton of different templates already in Excel that you can use. Let's go to College Course Manager, for example. You can put in your class schedule, and then at the bottom there are credits, where you can keep track of what credits you've earned. There's a budget underneath, and what books you might need. This is a fantastic template here, and I believe it was just called the College Course Manager. It's using Excel to your advantage is a great way to stay on top of your studies and stay on top of your money as well to save it. And if you do not like the templates that are provided already in Excel, you can always do a quick Google search to find even more templates that can be used for college. Study guides, budgetary guides, anything like that that you may need throughout college. If you have any content ideas, please drop them in the comments down below, and make sure you like and subscribe with notifications turned on, so that way you never miss out on another video. Stay safe and stay healthy. We'll see you next time.